Hello and welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we are going to be looking at a brand new 2026 Toyota BZ XLE front wheel drive finished in Supersonic Red. Starting off the front, we've got our LED headlights and fog lights there, sensors across the front bumper. We've got our 18-inch alloy wheels with the covers over top. We've also got blind spot detection in both of our mirrors there. Nice overshot of that Supersonic Red. Coming along to the back here, we've got our battery EV and BZ badging, as well as our backup camera there, and this updated light bar that runs across the whole tail light. Or sorry, connects both of the tail lights across the trunk, rather. Under the hood of the BZ, we get a 57.7 kilowatt hour battery capacity, delivering 168 horsepower with an estimated driving range of 380 kilometers. On the interior of the BZ, we get cloth seating accented with leather throughout, plenty of storage in our door pockets, all of our window controls, as well as our auto folding mirrors, our auto beam headlights, as well as our trunk button. We've got our all-weather mats for those harsh Albertan winters. And here is that leather accenting with the cloth seats. You get a driver's power adjustable seating. Push button start there. We've got paddle shifters on both sides as well for the manual feel. Got the driver monitor system there. All of our audio controls on that side. Driving assist on that side. And we get this massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with our backup camera. Got a heated steering wheel and heated seats for both of the front occupants, as well as our heated mirrors. Got 3 different selections on there, high, medium, and low, and off, of course. Got our 2 wireless cell phone charging pads, our gear shifter in all of our different drive selection modes, cabin lighting SOS button, and our garage door opener built right into the rearview mirror. Plenty of storage inside of our center console there. And coming into the back of the BZ, I have the seats laid down right now just so you can see how much cargo space you get, which is a ton. We got 2 USB-C charging ports for the rear occupants, more leather accenting along the cloth seats in the back as well. Got phone storage and 2 cup holders there. And coming into the back here, we've got a soft opening trunk button. We've got our cargo shade. We've got our AC volt adapter here, as well as all of our charging accessories and our owner's manual. And there's our button to close it on up, and that has been the 2026 BZ XLE front wheel drive. And as always, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.